Hi, I'm here today with a good friend of ours, Keith Renno, and we are at his office, Wintrust. And the reason we're here today is I wanted our friends to hear a little bit more about what's in store for them when they get ready to start the home buying process. So what are you seeing from your angle of the business with the rates? Does it look like we're going to stay pretty steady throughout the end of this year?
Yeah, I think throughout the end of this year, so 2019 and even going into 2020, I think we'll see rates maintain the range they're in right now, which is right around 4%. We've actually been a little under 4%, and when we're talking, this past year, this time last year, so roughly November of 2018, we tipped over 5%. So rates have come down a full percent, at some days even more than that. It wasn't too long ago where we were more like in the mid threes. So mid threes to 4%, I think we'll be in that range for the next, say, 12 months here. But it's a very volatile market, and it's going to be interesting to see how this all unfolds with the trade wars that are still actively going. And we have an election year coming up. So a lot of unknowns out there right now.
And I actually, thanks for opening the door on the election. Election years are a volatile time for the stock market and the real estate market for the number one reason: it's uncertainty. And markets don't like uncertainty. So can be some really wonderful benefits to, if you're well prepared, if you want to buy in a market where there's uncertainty. The sellers that are on the market for a reason. They need to go. And a lot of buyers sit on the fence at the risk of losing out on really good deals. The better educated you are, the more informed you can be about a good opportunity for yourself. So again, coming and speaking with somebody that's qualified and has the skill sets to help you structure yourself for a future purchase, there's no downside to being prepared. Even if you don't buy in the next year or you buy it 2 years from now, when you see the home or the situation that will allow you to pull the trigger, so to speak, you've already taken care of the hardest part of the whole deal, because most people getting the loan is one of the most stressful processes for them, because when they're told no, they can't have what they want, that's a very painful conversation to have if they weren't prepared up front. Well, I hope you found this conversation I had with Keith useful and helpful. And for more information and to get into the specifics of the details for you, give Keith Renno a call, or you can email him. His information's right here. And of course, you can reach me, Tracy Hauser at Tracy Team, at my email or my phone number. Text is always good too. Thanks for checking in.